Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the best bullion bars, coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
That's it.
What do we got, Rubes?
Some Australian coins.
Cool.
Australian coins from Australia.
So we need to choose our weapon.
We do.
Which knife shall we use?
I've got three lined up here. He's gone for the grasshopper. Was it the cricket? I'm trying to think of the Men in Black reference. I think it was the cricket. So small but powerful.
We've got a little safety one that somebody gave us that is probably good for me to use the way I put this around at times.
Yeah, look, if you're really misbehaving, I'll have to go grab out the chainmail glove we were also given.
Oh, that's right.
Also for your safety.
Oh, I seem to have gotten this reputation. Oh, this is a box within a box. Alrighty. Are these are all the same thing, aren't they? I mean, you've looked on it.
I think there's two different types within, so I'm expecting, because there's two different bigger boxes, that we're going to find two different products. So
beautiful.
I reckon both in there should be the same thing. You can see from the outside there, if we split it away from me, I think these are the Scorpions.
Scorpions. So this is Royal Australian Mint stuff. Woo! I like their product.
Yes, no, I do. They come encapsulated, a lot of these ones.
They do. It's 20 in a roll. No, there's not.
There's 10.
Let me try that again. There's 10 in a roll. I did really pass primary school maths. I really did. Yeah, you can see there. Beautiful design. We're going to open it up. Now, the thing with the Royal Australian Mint capsules and their rolls is they're mongrel to open.
Yeah. It's a little bit of a thicker capsule often as well than the Perth Mint ones.
The Perths. But they're a good capsule. They just hope you never have to open them because they're darn near impossible. Oh, I can't get the plastic off this one. There we go. And there's the Desert Scorpion.
Good to see these back through again.
So Majesty on the back, and it's a 2022 edition.
It is.
Alrighty, so we've actually had those in stock before, which is good. Then these ones should be a new coin to us.
Time will tell.
Open it up and they'll be the same thing.
Well, yeah, watch them put one box of each in each box just to keep you guessing.
Surely not. I'll open it up and it'll have something completely random.
Yeah. Nothing bullion related in the slightest. I think we've had that yet. We haven't yet unboxed something and gone, oh yeah, this will be a great coin unboxing, and then go, oh no, actually that's just the replacements for this. So yeah, it'll happen one of these days. The outside's looking good.
Cool.
Would you like to share with the rest of the class?
Right, there we go. And we have one box jellyfish.
Yeah, a very iconic, deadly Australian animal.
Yeah, I never know if I'm a fan of these, deadly and dangerous series type things that they do, because they just give me the heebies. So this is a 2023 edition with Her Majesty on the back.
I don't know. I kind of like our international reputation of country full of dangerous animals that could get you at any moment.
The reputation doesn't worry me. It's just
the actual animals themselves.
Yeah, it's like a redback coin. It just gives me the heebies. Like I'm not a spider person at the best of times, but yeah, we have them in stock. We have them now. Very limited numbers. I could only get like in the hundreds. It's not even in the thousands. So if you need these to complete your collection, grab them right now, because I'll pretty much guarantee we won't have them for very long. Standard Royal Australian Mint, so you're going to find the pricing is slightly dearer than, say, an equivalent product from the Perth Mint.
Often lower mintages and whatever alongside that, though.
Yeah, very much so. So, yeah, don't be shocked when they're a few dollars more than what you're expecting to pay for the standard Perth Mint, but they're still a beautiful production coin and they maintain their value.
Despite the heebie-jeebies, are you still likely to pick one up for your stack, do you reckon?
I don't know. I got to be honest with you. I got a redback and it gives me the heebies. So it's yeah, I don't know. I'll get the desert scorpion.
Yeah,
but I'm just not so.
We'll contemplate the jellyfish.
Yeah, well, I'm aquaphobic, so that doesn't help at the best of times throwing a jellyfish out there.
Alrighty, I'll leave you to contemplate that. Then we will pop all the links down in the description below, and we will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.